In order to make new cells, all cells must undergo cell division, or cell reproduction. In prokaryotes, single-celled organisms without a nucleus, cell division occurs by binary fission. This process is very simple and includes the duplication of chromosomal DNA replication, followed by cytokinesis, or the splitting of the cell into two new cells. Binary fission results in two identical daughter cells. This is how prokaryotes, like bacteria, reproduce. Eukaryotes are organisms with a nucleus in their cells. Many eukaryotes, like you, are also multicellular, and they usually use cell division for growth or to replace old or damaged cells. While the process of cell division is much more complicated in eukaryotes, it does have similarities to the process in prokaryotes. Just like in prokaryotes, DNA replication must occur first. Then, mitosis, or the division of the nucleus, occurs. Cytokinesis, or the division of the cytoplasm, occurs just as it does in binary fission. Let's take a closer look at the processes of mitosis and cytokinesis. Before mitosis can occur, DNA replication must take place. This process duplicates every strand of DNA so that there are two copies of every chromosome. The two copies are called sister chromatids and are attached at centromeres. Once DNA replication is complete, nuclear division will begin. Mitosis has 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Before prophase, chromosomes are actually not visible. The DNA is very loosely arranged and called chromatin. During prophase, chromatin will condense into visible chromosomes. Additionally, the nuclear envelope surrounding the DNA disappears. Spindle fibers form from centrioles. Spindle fibers attach to centromeres, and centrioles move to opposite ends of the cell. The centrioles continue to move apart and pull the chromosomes as they move. During metaphase, all chromosomes are lined up in the center of the cell at the metaphase plate, or spindle equator. During anaphase, sister chromatids detach and are pulled to opposite ends of the cell. The sister chromatids are now called daughter chromosomes. These two identical sets of chromosomes continue to move away from each other. Telophase is like the reverse of prophase. Spindle fibers disappear, nuclear envelopes form around each set of daughter chromosomes, and the chromosomes condense into chromatin. Mitosis, or nuclear division, is now complete, but the cell still needs to split into two. During telophase of mitosis, cytokinesis begins. This is the division of the cytoplasm with a cleavage furrow. The cleavage furrow pinches off two daughter cells that are completely identical to each other. Cell division is the production of two new and identical cells from one single cell. In both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, DNA replication must occur before cell division. In prokaryotes, cell division occurs by binary fission. In eukaryotes, cell division occurs by the 4 stages of mitosis, followed by cytokinesis. Single-celled organisms use cell division to produce new individuals, while multicellular organisms use cell division to grow or replace old cells.